Hello, everyone, and welcome to this insightful session. So, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Pascal Mina, and I'm the Senior Director at Arabic.AI, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be kicking off our very first partner webinar. We're going to be speaking in English because many attendees are non Arabic speakers, so thank you all for your understanding. So, this session isn't just a session about products or features, it's about potential. It's a conversation about what's possible when cutting edge AI meets one of the most overlooked markets in the world, the Arabic speaking world. So, we're here because the opportunity is enormous. Over 400 million Arabic speakers representing 2.7 trillion dollars in economic activity, and yet until now AI hasn't spoken their language. So today we're going to show you how Arabic.AI is changing that and how you can be part of this transformation. So we're thrilled to have you all here as part of our growing partner community. This is more than a webinar, as I said, it's your roadmap to becoming a market leader in Arabic.AI. So I'm going to briefly present the agenda for today. So here's how we'll structure our time today. We'll start with a quick introduction to who we are and what we stand for at Arabic.AI. So I'll be walking you through the massive market opportunity and why Arabic.AI is uniquely positioned to lead it. Then Andrew will take over to dive into the tech, showing you how our platform delivers performance other AI systems simply can't match. After that, Dina will guide you through our sales model, how it's designed for fast cycles and high win rates. And then Habiba will share how we support you with events, campaigns, and co-branded marketing that drive visibility and demand. And finally, Amir will unpack our partnership tiers and the benefits you'll unlock at each level. And at the end, of course, we'll wrap up with Q&A. So let's start with why we're all here. The opportunity hiding in plain sight. So Arabic, as we all know, is the fifth most spoken language in the world with over 400 million people. But when it comes to AI, it's being largely ignored. So this isn't just a gap. And it's not just about language, it's about identity, culture, and trust. So all our partners, they tell us that when they bring Arabic.AI into the room, especially with government or enterprise clients, it changes the conversation. Like suddenly they're not one of many vendors, they're the only vendors who truly gets it. And in a region where we rely a lot on credibility and local understanding, and we all know that this matters a lot. Aligning with the Arabic AI leader opens doors that others can't even knock on. So, so who we are. Arabic.AI is the global leader in Arabic language AI. We built it from the ground up to transform communication and automation for Arabic speaking users. We work with 500 Fortune 500 companies, governments, enterprise teams across sectors from finance to healthcare to public service. And at the core of our platform is Pronoya, which is the world's most advanced Arabic large language model. But tech alone isn't enough. So what sets us apart in the market is the fusion that we have with tech and with 16 years of domain-specific Arabic expertise. And this is why our partners, they don't just sell tools. They become like our strategic advisors, delivering measurable outcomes that their clients can't get anywhere else with. So when we say here full stack, we mean end to end. So as I said, we do custom AI agents to APIs, on-premise deployments. We give you everything you need to deliver enterprise-grade Arabic AI solution. So this isn't just a point solution. It's a platform designed to scale with your clients, starting with a chatbot or translation tool, expanding to full AI transformation across their operation. And because we support recurring revenue model, this isn't just a one-time deal flow. It's a long-term value. So here, as you can see, we need to talk about what makes Arabic.AI unmatched in this space. And here we're talking about data. So we've spent more than 16 years in the market enriching domain-specific Arabic data from legal to medical to financial, media, government, you name it. And this data is the foundation of Pronoia, which is our own model, and it gives us like a near human understanding of Arabic dialects, the tone, the context. What this actually means for you is when your competitors are offering good enough translation or chatbot responses, you're offering something that actually feels native, that earns the trust of the people, and that win deals. And this is what sets us apart in the market. So we're not just ahead, we're pulling away. So what we're saying is at least 40 to 60% performance gains in areas like translation, accuracy, dialect handling, legal and policy language understanding, and domain specific. So while these models, like in different, I think I'm on the wrong slide. Did anyone move the slide? Okay, so we're still here. So on the benchmarks, if we're comparing ourselves to Cohere and DeepSeek, they are actually trained with models like on Broad. Arabic.AI was trained specifically for Arabic with deep vertical data sets across government, finance, legal, and healthcare. So, and as a partner, this means you're always getting access to cutting edge. You're not just selling what we built last year, you're delivering what others won't have for another 12 months, especially that we're gonna be launching by end of Ramadan. We'll be rolling out our next major model release with an additional 5-point performance boost. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so and this is where it gets really exciting. The custom AI agents. So imagining, I'm just gonna give like one case. Imagining showing up to a healthcare client, and not just with translation, with clinical compliance agent trained to read Arabic medical notes, or helping a legal department redline contracts in Arabic with a click, or building a triage system for public sector agencies. So that's what our custom AI agents can unlock. We have more than 65 plus Arabic AI specialists ready to build with you. You don't need an R&D team. You just have ours. So, and being fast in delivering Arabic AIs, like the Arabic agents, is actually something very important because clients, they don't really want to wait. And then everything we do for partners sits on three pillars. I don't know, sits on three pillars. So first, we have the models, our LLMs and SLMs from the intelligent core. Second, we have our agents, which are built to solve specific high-impact problems. And third, we have our tech team. So we will be behind the scenes. We are your dream team. We will ensure that implementation and success are done on time, and you will have access to long-term optimization. So whether your clients start with a very single use case or wants a full transformation, you'll have the tools and the support to grow with them. And last but not least, I'm going to talk about our partners. So like, don't just take it from us, take it from the companies already we worked with, from government ministries to major banks, media, global consultancies. So we're powering them with critical Arabic language AI workflows across the board. So as a partner, you will gain access to these success stories, to the case studies, to reference customers, to back up your pitch and build credibility from day one. So that's it from my side. I'm going to hand it now to Andre for tech and use cases.
Thank you, Pascal. Nice to meet you all. I see comment from user that they don't see our slides. Can you please confirm, guys, you see slides? Everything's fine? Or if it's not, we will check from our side. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. A lot of comments. Thank you very much. Great. My name is Andrew. I am a product manager in the company Arabic.AI. Today, I want to go deeper in technologies, what we are doing, how we are doing, and what we basically can offer to our users. First of all, our journey started more than 2 years ago with a high ambitious plan the plan to deliver high accuracy models, to deliver high accuracy, high quality Arabic native solutions to our clients. Ambitious goal, and we started addressing it step by step. As you maybe know, we started from translation model, then we went through delivered LLM model that showed itself really, really great. Since that moment, we did a lot of different models down the line. We did LLM model with reasoning, we did embedders, rankers, and a bunch of other models. So all this family of models is high accuracy, high quality, and allows us to combine these technologies together to address different pain points and deliver different solutions to our clients. So how modern AI solutions looks like? Usually, all the questions, all the discussions with the client started from the privacy. Just because we developed everything in-house and we own all the solutions we are offering, we are pretty flexible of where and how to deliver our solutions. It might be private client cloud, it can be on-prem, can be hybrid solutions. We can offer solutions that can be hosted anywhere clients want them and need them to have. Okay, but just one block in this sandwich of blocks. Second block, of course, is technologies. We own LLM models, we own embedded models that allows to chat with the data more effectively. We own translation models, speech to text, and a bunch of other models. Having all these models and high accuracy allows us to combine them together and deliver solutions to our clients much faster. On top of models, we have a new platform called Agreed. It's not on the slide right now, just because we are preparing first release of this platform that allows us to combine the technologies together and deliver agentic flows, AI pipelines. There's a bunch of names to deliver solutions to our clients. And last but not least is the way how exactly these solutions will be connected to the client infrastructure. It might be integration with their solutions, of course. It might be web applications, mobile applications, any kind of that way we can support to connect new capabilities to the client infrastructure, to the client applications, and make sure that they really get value out of our solutions. We are building solutions, and a lot of them you can test through API. API access, I think it's the easiest way to start using our technologies, translation models, and a bunch of other things. It doesn't mean we offer only API. It means that API is the easiest first step to start testing and using it. Using our solutions. And of course, down the line, we will discuss where, what, how these solutions will be used by the clients. Of course, we support all privacy and all security certificates. As you see on the screen, we are fully aligned and with GDPR and ISO certificates. That means that we store data, host everything, fully aligned with the all best standards. And on top of that, as I told, we offer on-premise installation. That means that we can go even deeper in terms of privacy and security, in terms of client requirements of about the solutions of and how to use them. Here is a couple of scenarios, couple of ideas or directions that we are offering. It's not the full list of things. Obviously, we can deliver much more, but as a guideline, a starting point, here they are. Of course, it's legal direction. I will show you one use case, a really nice application that we developed for one of our clients. It's RFP builders, Draftly builders. It's messaging platform, messaging solutions. It's documentation analysis and processing solutions. It's translation solutions and a bunch of others. You can think of our technologies as building blocks that can be combined together to achieve different client needs. Let me show one of the videos and give some comments around it. It's a legal app that was created for one of our clients. The main goal of this web app was to help lawyers with day-to-day work, to help them with legal documents analyzing. And system was designed to address, to show to the lawyer where uh, where potential point of risk in the document, so he can focus on this block more attentively. Let me show it to you, and we can discuss it later on. Team, can you start the video, please?
Arabic.AI Legal is a smart legal assistant built to help Arabic-speaking businesses stay compliant with country's law. Whether you're reviewing an employment contract or clarifying a regulation, Arabic.AI Legal has you covered and suggests compliant alternatives all within seconds. Legal compliance just got easier, faster, and built for the language you work in. It identifies non-compliant terms, explains why they're problematic, upload contracts in Arabic or English, PDFs, Word files, or even scanned documents, and the platform instantly scans them against the laws of your selected country. Have questions? Just ask. Arabic.AI Legal can answer a wide range of legal inquiries in Arabic and English.
Great, thank you. So as you saw, in this specific application, we combined a lot of technologies together. We took all the law of a specific country. We used our LLM model for chatting with user. We used our embedders model for better processing data. We used our OCR model because PDF file that can be uploaded by user, it can be just scanned PDF file. So we use our OCR models to get text out of this PDF, and we combined all the things together to deliver high accuracy results to our clients. That's the philosophy of our applications, just one of examples of that one. Let's switch to another one and show Draftly.
Arabic.AI Proposal is the first Arabic native, a platform built to streamline and accelerate proposal creation for Arabic-speaking enterprises. It enables users to chat directly with the system to generate tailored proposals quickly and accurately, using both general company information and proposal-specific details uploaded by the user through a conversational interface. Arabic.AI helps structure the proposal and autofills each section based on context. Every part of the document can then be refined manually or updated dynamically based on user input. Users can upload reusable company information, apply consistent branding with templates, logos, and styles, and collaborate with teammates seamlessly throughout the process. Arabic.AI Proposal supports exporting proposals in multiple formats, fully localized in both Arabic and English, making cross-team work efficient and presentations client ready in just a few clicks. Upload your deck, and with just one click, its translated images and charts flip. Ready for your audience and in Arabic.
Great, thank you. Some comments here from me as well. This app was designed to speed up the process of document creation. It has collaborative capabilities, so you can work on the one document with your team members. It, of course, it takes into consideration previous proposals, previous documents that you created, so it understands your tone of voice, how it's structured. It understands company information, and altogether, it allows to speed up the process, build high quality, high accuracy documents, and of course, win more sales based on these documents. Okay, just to summarize what we are doing and what we are offering. First of all, we are offering a set of high-level, high-accuracy technologies. Second, we are offering the way to combine these technologies together to build agentic flows. And on top of that, we offer integration of these technologies into client infrastructure. And all of this, we offer end-to-end as a trusted partner to deliver these solutions to the clients. Okay, I'm finished with my part. I see a lot of questions. We will be happy to answer all these questions at the end of presentation. Thank you, team. I finished.
Thank you, Andre. So my name is Dina. I'm serving as the VP of Growth with Arabic.AI. So we're very excited to launch our partnership vertical, and our sales process is optimized for partners, faster deals, and higher margins. We have 4 tiers to match varying capabilities and objectives. So our first tier is standard or silver. This is an entry level for exploration. It's referral based, and the Arabic.AI team drives the sales process to closure. Next, we have the enterprise or the gold tier. This is ideal for partners owning the sales process with the support of the Arabic.AI team. The third is the champion or the platinum, and this is the highest. This is the ideal for customers owning the full sales process, including implementation. It has the highest margins and benefits. And then finally, the distributor. They leverage their network without deep technical investment. And so with each tier, the growth support as the partner evolves. Now, in terms of a sales cycle, we have a dual track approach to fulfill administrative efficiency and client-facing confidence. The order processing covers deal registration, proposals, scoping, submission, and fulfillment. Our typical sales cycle averages 60 to 90 days. This is 30 to 50% faster than typical AI projects. So what does this mean? It encourages more deals per quarter and higher annual revenue per rep. Habiba, over to you from a marketing perspective.
Thank you very much, Dina. Hi, everyone. This is Habiba, Marketing Manager at Arabic.AI. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I'm excited to walk you through some of the key benefits we offer to our partners. So as we start here, one of the ways we bring this to life is by supporting events that help you grow your presence, reach your clients, and generate leads. We currently offer 2 event models. The first one is the sponsorship event model, and this is the one that is fully partner-led, which means that you get to invite your clients, manage the guest list, and lead the engagement while we support the event with funding, branding, and marketing support. Let me expand the screen one more time. Yeah, here you go. So this is the first model. And the second one is the co-branded event model, where both your team and our team invite our clients. This is ideal for mutual lead generation and wider visibility. We handle everything from co-marketing, social designs, and to branding and execution. And both parties, like our partner and us, benefit from sharing the leads, the reach, and the whole event. So whether you're planning something exclusive or aiming for maximum joint exposure, we have 2 formats that can flex to your objectives. And now moving to, one more thing is the sponsorship events, we contribute by 20 to 30% of the total cost. And for the co-branding events, we contribute by 40 to 60% of the total cost. Okay, moving to the next slide. So here we're talking about visibility, which is one of our biggest strengths that we offer. So as a partner, you benefit from Arabic.AI full marketing engine backed by 16 years of Terjema's market presence. And our website, actually both websites receive millions of impressions, as you can see, on a monthly basis, and ranks on Google search, like SEO-wise, right after Google Translate when you type in Terjema. So once you get onboarded, you're featured on our partnership portal/landing page with a direct backlink to your website, which helps boosting your SEO ranking. You'll also be announced across our platforms like LinkedIn, which we have a very strong presence there, Instagram, our mailer, and even at our events like GITEX and AI Global and so much. So through this partnership, you get access to over 700 enterprise clients, along with visibility in front of a network of 50K professionals and C-level or decision makers across many regions and beyond. Now moving to the third slide, which is the monthly news and product. So basically, like we are always, as a partner, you'll always receive a monthly newsletter built just for you. It's not a general marketing blast. It's focused and tailored to our partners, covering product releases, AI advancements, and feature launches. This ensures that your sales, marketing, and technical teams are always aligned with what's happening on our side, especially in the AI industry where things move incredibly fast. This monthly touchpoint becomes essential to staying ahead. And this slide is just in order to wrap it up. This slide summarizes how we support you with events, sponsorship, online exposure, and monthly updates, and training, of course, if needed. Thank you so much. Now giving it to Amir.
Hello, everyone. I think most of you already know me. We either met online or we met physical. So with that, I would like to thank the team. I will just go straight, to the partner part. Okay, as you all know that, Tarjama has been in the market for the last 16 years. And then with Arabic.AI, we decided that we cannot work anymore in a direct model. We have to work with the indirect model, which means that, we have to have partners in order to grow the business, because we start getting requests and we're getting customer requests. And people, they need to try the system. I already see some of you already on the comments asking for the same. We'll discuss this. I'm very happy with the kind of question that you guys are sending. So we decided to go with the indirect model, either with partners or with a distributor. So one of the main reasons for that is, to help each other. And that's why you are a partner. You are not a reseller. We don't like to use the word reseller. To leverage the client relationship that you guys all have in your countries. Co-branding. A few partners, actually 2 of you already sent me a very excited presentation, which, they co-brand Arabic.AI with their logo. And they build a specific presentation for a specific customer, targeting specific points, using the 2 logo of Arabic.AI and the partner logo. Which, I find it very, very successful, because yes, we need to go to the customer, the end customer together. Also, I'm sure most of you, and if not all of you, knows that we work in Arabic.AI in 3 ways. Either we work on-prem, and this is one of the very special things about us, because only few companies in the region do this. And we work on cloud, of course, like others. And then we work API. And one of the good things that we're getting a lot of partners, they already have their solution, even big names. I will not mention any company name here, but big names, I mean, with people that they are doing billions of the names that, we all knows, that they decided to have Arabic.AI because of the Arabic part, and they're going to use it as an API. So this is one of the things also differentiate us in this one. Also, having Arabic, I'm sure throughout the slide, from Andre and the people explain, you can see that we are ranked #1 according to some platform when it comes to Arabic. Yes, there is a lot of LLM in the market. There is a lot of AI tools, or either for consumer or even for B2B. However, when it comes to Arabic, we can claim that we are #1 and always one of the best in the market when it comes to Arabic, and not only normal Arabic. No, we can go to the level of even specific Arabic. Like inside Saudi, you'll have a different Arabic for Saudi. In Kuwait, in the Egyptian language, as we all know, the Arab people and even the non-Arab people in the call will understand this. Not all the Arabs speak the same Arabic. Yes, we can understand each other, but it got very specific. Believe it or not, Arabic.ai can cover all of this. Why to partner with Arabic.ai? One of the main things that that we need to work together. The company has been working with language, tackling a very big names, name it, big consulting firm, government, healthcare, education, even media company, all this. I'm not sure if you're all aware that, the translation that you all see in Netflix, OSN, all this, it's Arabic.AI. It's us, it's Tarjama. So building this after over 16 years give us the power that we have a very good, how do I say it, power and knowledge when it comes to language and translation and words and all the things. Use cases, we have a very different and unique use cases in each customer. We treat each customer in a different way. For example, we are not like others, when you have things on the shelf, so you just take it and just price it and sell it. No, we got a very specific, and that's why we're very strong, especially when it comes to government. We got a very special cases, with specific customers. They need to build something. Maybe it will be unique for them and for their type of business. Name it, ministries, or big organization, things like Expo. We're very proud that we helped in the final report for Expo Qatar. We helped in Expo 2020 in Dubai. Now we've been approached by others. So as you can see, most of the customer, they have a very specific use case, which we help to build it for them, do a POC, and then we go live with that. And we keep getting all this. Of course, you as the partner, you'll get access to all this use cases and much more. I don't want to take much on this one because I need to leave space for the question. Okay, I will just summarize. So as a partner, thanks to all the team, they already explained. Dina, she tackled, about the deregistration, because I always get this question: what if, I already have a pipeline and I shared it with you, Amir, or shared it with your team, and then I found that another partner is working on this one. The good news is that we are new with the partner model. We decided to start the indirect model last March, so we still don't have this much partner, which is a good thing for the early one, meaning that in each country now we have maybe one or two, some countries, maximum we have 3 partners. So the competition is not that high, number one. Number two, we created this deregistration. So once you share the pipeline with us and you just make clear that I'm working on this opportunity, then no other partner will be able to work on it for a period of time, of course, and then before it can be moved to anyone else. One of the other things is the newsletter. Thanks to the Habiba and the marketing team, now we are building what we call the partner portal. So you'll be able to find a portal which will include everything related to partner. As she said, it's not a public information. No, this will be specific things built for our partners. One of these things, which is very important, the events. I've already got approached by some of you that they need to do a specific customer event, either with other vendor that they are dealing with, or with Arabic.AI only, to invite customer and to start explaining to the customer and do demo in the event. With that, we can get a strong pipeline for both of us. And of course, Arabic.AI will help supporting this, but you need to provide to Habiba the proper proposal. What do you need to target? What's the scope? Who's the customer will be invited? All these type of things. So it's a normal, easy process. You'll just submit it to the partner. Once it get approved, then we can go ahead with that. Last thing, the announcement. You will keep getting an announcement. We know our R&D team and our technical team, they work day and night. Just for you to know, we have 2 floors in Amman, in Jordan, full of engineers. They're just working, keep releasing new version, keep releasing new product. Some of them related to other department in Arabic.AI or in Tarjama, like for example the content lab. Now they are creating something specifically using AI specifically for events. You will hear about it soon. We have the old business who built all this, the Tarjama, still working on this one new version from Arabic.AI. All this type of things, you will be aware about it early enough, and it will be shared with the partner for that. With that, I will stop here. And please, you all know me, and you have my email, you have my phone number. If you have any question, any request, any specific deal that you need to work on, any event, whatever, just reach out to me, and I will be able to direct you with the right person or right department inside Tarjama or site Arabic.AI to make things easier for you. I will stop here, and I will leave the floor for question.
Yeah. I just need to add another note here because we are
Sure.
seeing lots of people registered that are not actually current partners. So in that case, I've shared the link. It starts with Calendly. You can immediately fill a form there and we'll reach out to you once we get all your details. So just in case you're not a partner yet, you don't know Amir, feel free to fill the form and we'll support with everything you need.
Yeah, thank you, Pascal. I'm not sure, Andre, if you got all the question, but there's a question from a gentleman called Muhammad Al-Hannawi. He is asking about, if we train the model on all the stream of Arabic. Are you getting the question? Because some of the questions are very technical. Some of them I already answered, but if you have this. And Mr. Muhammad, also, you can reach out to me after the call, because I can see that you have a lots of very deep question. Over to you, Andre.
Yeah, I'm trying to answer questions one by one. If I miss something for any reason, so I'm happy to jump on the call later this week and discuss and answer all the questions. So for model training, we use, of course, our internal proprietary data that was labeled by our linguists and open source data. So we combine it together. If we need more data, we just label it and experiment a lot to get to the right point of quality and accuracy.
Okay, I believe there is another question from Mr. Ala At-Tawajri. He's asking about the issue of unreadable Arabic PDF or OCR.
Yes, we have OCR technologies in-house to read imaged Arabic and English texts. And actually, this technology is part of our Arabic.AI platform already. So we offer it through API as part of Arabic.AI platform. So let's discuss what you need, and we'll present to you a solution in the right way.
Okay, Mr. Musab, he is sending in Arabic, asking, if we have this presentation in Arabic. Yes, as Pascal explained in the beginning, we did this one in English because we have a lot of non-Arabic speaking in the call. But of course, we have all our, as at the start, we are a translation company, even before AI and before all this. So we have most of the languages. And of course, we have all our presentation in Arabic. And when we have a specific need from an Arabic speaker, we tackle this one. Even if you guys followed us in the LinkedIn, you will find Pascal is putting her comment in Arabic because she's handling Saudi in the Saudi accent. So I hope I answer your question. So don't worry. Yes, we have everything in Arabic. And one of the things you remind me, thank you, that we do AI training as well, because we have Arabic Academy, and we do the AI training in Arabic and in other languages. Let me check other question. I'm not sure if, Andre, if you got any other question.
I think all of them are answered. If not, we will get back to you by email and we'll answer.
There is a question from Zaid Hourani. Do we have Arabic audio and voice features?
Sorry, can you please repeat? I think I tried to answer another question.
Yeah, okay. Sorry. Do you have Arabic audio and voice features?
Arabic audio, yes. We have speech-to-text models. We have vision models. Basically, it's not about features. It's about what our client needs. If there is client needs for something, we can discuss together what and how it can be done. If we don't have something, we can create it. That's how all our technologies appeared. All the big family of models wasn't done just because we want to do it. It was the answer that helped us to address the pain points that clients had. And the technologies appeared because we wanted to deliver high quality solutions to our clients. And to do it, we did this or that. That's why, based on client needs, we can discuss and deliver solution with all requirements and all needs that clients has.
Okay, not sure if there are so many actually, but what I've done, I sent my two numbers. Someone is asking about my number to chat after. I sent my two numbers, the Egyptian number and the Saudi number. Please feel free to reach out to us, and I will also can add my email. Even if it's not belong to partnership direct, belong to any technical or anything, I'll be able to direct you with the right one. So if you can please check the chat, you will find my numbers and my email. Andre, I'm not sure if you catch any other questions. There is people thanking us for the session. Thank you for you, and thanks for attending. People asking about Pascal LinkedIn. Okay, Pascal, it seems that you need to leave your Saudi accent in the LinkedIn.
Actually, let's connect on LinkedIn. It will be because we share lots of insights. We share latest trends. Please follow us on LinkedIn, on Arabic.AI page, even on Tarjama page. So we'll be sharing quick links to our company profile LinkedIn page. Follow us, and we'll be sharing a lot. So, and as we said, we're going to be having Arabic sessions, and we're going to be even having physical events in Riyadh, in Dubai, in Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, and much more. So we look forward to meeting you all face to face.
Okay, I've got a question also about the partner margin, but I believe Dina already answered, but this we can discuss also in details. Just to summarize from a partner logistics, guys, once we sign the partnership agreement and the NDA, I will be either sitting with you face to face or online, and then we will start building the go-to-market strategy. We'll agree what you need to do. As I said, the old partner that who were early and they signed with me on March, they already discussing with me having a customer event. So don't worry, we are trying to build a strong partnership model, and we will be able to support you. And we're expecting a lot from our partner because we do believe on the indirect model. So don't worry, we'll discuss all the details one by one, and we will agree on a plan. We'll make both companies successful. Not sure if I catch all the question, but we can take it. Fine. Okay. If no one from the team has anything to add, I would like to thank you for joining. And very soon, Habiba can confirm, we will have another one for Tarjama product itself. Because as you know, the company has three main big departments: Arabic.AI for the AI part, which is under it, the Arabic Academy for the training, and Tarjama, which is the old company who built all this, and already have their own product and stuff like that. Yes, now using also AI. And the third part, which is the Content Lab, which some of you already showed some interest about it. So very soon, Habiba can confirm, we will have another webinar for Tarjama. And also very soon, we will have a physical partner training or partner event, one in UAE and one in Saudi as a start.
Sure thing, Amir. Definitely, we're working on this, and we will notify all the attendees in our database with the timing and date set for such events.
Okay, thank you, Habiba. Dina, Pascal, Andre, anything to add?
Just thank you to everybody from our side for attending, and we look forward to collaborating with everyone.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.